Measuring, Lean Culture, Validating a Research Instrument, presents by Nurkamarina Norrismile. What is lean manufacturing? Its origin is from Toyota Motor, established by Kiichiro Toyota in 1933. It is defined as manufacturing without waste. The purpose is to achieve process excellence through dedicated waste elimination efforts. This involves eliminating 8 types of waste summed up by the acronym downtime. Next, what is lean culture? It is an abstract concept that encompasses all the elements needed to implement and sustain the lean transformation. Some researchers view lean culture as a single dimension, while others consider it a multidimensional construct. We move on to problems and issues. From 2005 to 2008, success rate of lean transformation in US was really disappointing, as 70% didn't make well progress, 50% completely failed, and 2% fully successful, while in UK, only 10% successful. Next, according to Mann, 2003, suggested that lean culture is the missing link that connects application of lean tools and techniques with the sustainable success of lean transformation. Based on Osman et al., 2021, there are 5 dimensions to measure lean culture. Among them are organizational environment, effective communication, teamwork, problem solving, and innovation. Next, let's take a look at methodology part, a self-administered questionnaire, SAQ, we develop involving 2 steps. Among them are item generation and content validation. This study focused on content validation as direct sequel to the study conducted in Osman et al., 2021. What is content validation? To checks if a measure fully captures its intended concept, including both logical and face validity. While Content Validity Index, CVI, rates the relevance, representativeness, and clarity of items by major educational and psychological organizations. How to calculate CVI? Panel of experts were asked to rate the content relevance of each item in 4-point ordinal rating scale, where 1 equals item is not representative to 4 equals item is representative. These are the formula to calculate Content Validity Index, CVI, and Inter-Rater Agreement, IRA. As a result, 11 out of 15 experts returned the validation form. However, 4 experts did not rate the items but provided comments. Therefore, only 7 experts remained for the analyses. The demographic profile of 7 experts who completed the validation form is presented in table below. These are example of CVI calculations for organizational behavior. First step, compute N.R and N.A. by calculating total of representative item, who rate 4. Let's calculate together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. NBSP, the sum of NR and NA is 7. How to calculate CVI and IRA for organizational behavior? For ICBIIEM, divide the total number of experts who rate 4 by the total number of experts. For example, 7 divides 7 equal 1. For the SCVI, sum all ICVI values and divide by the number of items. For example, 7 divides 7 equal 1 as well. Similarly, for IIRA, divide the number of agreements by the total number of experts. For instance, 7 divides 7 equal 1. While SIRA, sum all IIRA values and divide by the number of items. NBSP, 6.714 divides 7 equals 0.959. CVI calculations showed that all dimensions and items had ICVI and SCVI of 1.000, except innovation dimension. ICVI for innovation items ranged 0.857 to 1.00. Despite this, these results met the minimum requirement for content validity evidence. On the other hand, IRA results varied between dimensions, ranging from 0.741 to 1.000 for IIRA and 0.816 to 0.982 for SIRA. Experts from various backgrounds has increased the robustness of the assessment, especially feedback from diverse perspectives to improve the research instrument. For practical contribution, specifically to industrial practitioner, act as a valid tool to properly self-assess their lean sustainability, whereas, for academician, serve as the foundation, for future studies. Last but not least, the research limitation is, the instrument will need further validation, using more advanced statistical techniques such as confirmatory factor analysis or confirmatory composite analysis. Thank you for your attention.